Namaste. Welcome to Vishwa Yoga. My name is Vishwa. In this video, I will talk about the fire practice of Tantric Hatha Yoga. You know, fire is revered in almost all traditions. In Sanskrit, fire is called Agni. The word Ag means to move forward. In Vedic tradition, the very first line of Rig Veda starts as Om Agni Mile Purohitam. Here, Agni is the medium or priest to connect to the divine. But in Tantric tradition, Agni is the divinity itself. Here, yoga is considered an inner fire ritual that does not use external ingredients but rather the different faculties of our nature. In this fire practice, we offer all aspects of our being into the inner fire or divinity by offering our body, breath, and mind to purify and transform our consciousness. This fire is a boundless force of spirit that dwells within each of us, that contains all our worldly and spiritual power and potential. As the ancient Upanishad says, he or she has no disease, nor old age, nor death, who has attained a body born of the fire of yoga. Fire is much more than what we think. At the core, fire is a transformative agent. In the Tantric Hatha Yoga context, internal fire also means Kundalini Shakti or Atma Shakti. So as the light of fire gets illuminated, that energy starts to dissolve the inertia, to access the dormant channel within the spine. This stimulates tejas or inner radiance within us by gradually removing the darkness of our ignorance. The result is experienced as improved intelligence, understanding, and comprehension on a cellular level. This fire also gives you detachment from expectations, from unreal stuffs, and that knowledge and feeling starts to flourish from within. So in the fire practice workshop, you will understand the types of Agni or fire which is responsible for our physical, mental, and spiritual well-being and growth, and how to use the yogic tools and techniques to activate them. So, who should do this practice? This practice is not for beginners. It combines all the previous three stages, earth, moon, and sun, as the foundation. So once you are established in the previous stages, you are eligible for this practice. The fire practice uses all major components of Tantric Hatha Yoga, including asana, pranayama, bandha, mudra, yantra, mantra, kriyas, and meditation. Being grounded and stable in an earthly body, when the masculine and feminine energy come into union as sun and moon, or ha and ta becoming hut. Inner fire begins through this master practice of Hatha Yoga. This is the most energetic and profound practice leading to Kundalini Yoga. It is important to mention here that you must approach fire practice with caution and under the guidance of a qualified teacher, particularly if you have any pre-existing medical conditions such as heart disease, high blood pressure, glaucoma, hernia, or any other serious health condition or injury. Regular fire practice increases physical strength, mental clarity, and overall vitality, as well as it cultivates self-confidence and a sense of personal power. This inner fire activates purification process first, starting to burn through unhealthy habits, physical toxins, and mental and emotional hang-ups. The focus of this practice starts from the hip area and pelvic area, lower back and abdominal area, primarily working to the lower chakras with major vayus to eliminate the unwanted stuff. This practice is stimulating and balancing, connecting to Manipura chakra, which is located in the solar plexus region of the body and associated with element of fire, where prana and apana meets. This region is connected to the Samanvayu, responsible for assimilation, regulating our metabolism, digestion, and energy levels, as well as our sense of self-worth and personal power. So, we will work with Vayus and Nadis to activate Sushumna Nadi, or the central energy channel, which is the adobe of our soul's untapped potential and direct link to the spirit. This is the doorway to Vijnanamay Kosh, or psychic body, the seat of intuition, connecting to Anandamay Kosh, or the bliss body. Finally, like previous practices, fire practice also has different levels, variations, and applications based on the level of students and their need. Some of the popular yoga styles, such as Kundalini Yoga of Yogi Bhajan and other similar fusion yoga, incorporate some of the components of Kundalini Yoga and fire practice. But not all of the principles and methods are systematically applied as per this teaching. Thus, I cannot call them as a true alternative. If you want to experience the difference, you must do the fire practice as it was passed down by the living lineage or tradition. So this was the short introduction to the fire practice of Tantric Hatha Yoga. If you have any question or comments or would like to know more, please feel free to contact me. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Namaste. Thank you so much for listening. If you like the information, please subscribe, like, and share so that everyone else can also enjoy this.